Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create Overdue task tracker in Notion. So first thing, we will create a new page. Let's click on table, and here we will add new database. Now here I will also add this name to task name. Right now, next thing would be I'll delete the property. Right, so once we have that, next thing we can do is we can use assign to option. So here I will use the text and assigned to, right, and after that I will use date field. Also there is status option. I can use select, then I can use, let's say, complete, then pending, incomplete, or let's say in process. Right, these are some of the status I can add. Right, I can even change the name to that part. So here you can see task name, assigned to, date, and status. I can also add one more field, which is notes. I always add notes to every tracker that I can make. So let's try and put it here with our task name. So it could be job name. So let's say pending paperwork on business intelligence, assigned to, let's say, John Doe. Then it was meant to be done by 20 of Jan, but we will add one more week to this. Status, let's say, incomplete. Right, so here next thing we can do is we will add the title overdue work job or task tracker. Next thing is, let's say, pending taxation work, then should be done by end of this month, and let's say it is also pending. Like this I can add the status to each the pending task that we have within our organization. Right, you can also color code the respective values based on some conditions if required. So this is the basic one I can think of. So this is the overdue work job task tracker in Notion.